Okay, Arabura. Today you are going to write letter A, K, M, and N with the help of standing line, slanting line, and sleeping line. You have to trace the dots. Okay.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay. Slanting line. One more slanting line. And sleeping line. Slanting line. One more slanting line. And sleeping line. Slanting line. One more slanting line. And sleeping line. This is letter A is for
Apple.
apple and
Apricot.
apricot, and A is for
Aeroplane.
aeroplane,
Auntie.
auntie,
Aunt.
arms,
Aunt.
ant. Very good. And A is for
Arrow.
arrow,
Animal.
animal. Very good. Next letter is
Kid.
K. Standing line,
Dandelion.
slanting line. Arab, slanting line. Yes.
Dandelion.
One more slanting line.
Dandelion.
Good. Standing line,
Dandelion.
slanting line. Yeah, up. Slanting line.
Dandelion.
One more slanting line.
Dandelion.
Standing line,
Dandelion.
slanting line.
Dandelion.
One more slanting line. This is letter
K.
K is for
Kangaroo.
kangaroo,
Kiwi.
kiwi,
Kite.
kite,
King.
king,
Key.
key. Very good. And when you play with your ball, then what you do?
Kick.
Kick. You kick the ball. K is for kick also. Very good. Next letter is M. Standing line.
Dandelion.
One more standing line.
Dandelion.
Slanting line.
Dandelion.
One more slanting line. Yes. Standing line.
Dandelion.
One more standing line. Slanting line. One more slanting line. Standing line. Okay. One more standing line. Yes. Slanting line. One more slanting line. This is letter M is for
Monkey.
okay.
Mirror.
Mirror. Very good.
Money.
Money. Okay, monkey eats.
Mango.
Good. You are standing on the
Mat.
what you drink in the morning?
Milk.
Milk. Very good. Okay, which animal says squeak? Squeak.
Mouse.
Good, mouse. Okay, which animal says? Okay, cat says
Meow.
meow. M is for meow. Very good. When you go to outside, you what you put on?
Mask.
Mask. M is for mask also. Okay.
Yes.
Next letter is
And
N. Standing line.
dandelion.
One more standing line.
Dandelion.
And slanting line. Standing line.
Dandelion.
One more standing line. And
Dandelion.
good. Standing line.
Dandelion.
One more standing line.
Dandelion.
And
Dandelion.
slanting line. This is letter. Very good. This is letter. N is for
Nest.
nest. Okay.
Nose.
Okay.
Neck.
Very good. What is outside in our balcony?
Nut.
Net. Very good.
Nail.
Very nice, Arav. And which number start with the N?
9.
Good. You are doing great job. Okay, you write your ABC.
Notebook.
Yeah, yes, on your notebook, and it's for notebook also. Good, Arav. You have done a great job today. Yes.
Great job.
Yes, good. Thank you, Arav.
Thank you. Bye, friends. Thanks for watching. Yeah, my video.